Pedersen, one of the engineers here at Local Motors. Today I'm working on an engine transmission lift for the Rally Fighters for our guys out on the shop floor. The Rally Fighter is intended to be built in your garage using basic tools, nothing special. In our case, we like to have tools in situations like this, something that makes it a little bit quicker for the amount of Rally Fighters we have going through the build floor, to go ahead and put an assembly together and give us something that's a little bit easier for a process we're used to. So we put together a special engine lift just because it is big, it's kind of cumbersome, makes things a little bit quicker, makes things a little bit safer for the guys that are working, especially working with people that are new and haven't done it before. So we've put together a new lift, finishing that now, utilizing a basic motorcycle jack. The two functions we have is we want to be able to lift the engine and transmission assembly on the subframe, which rests here on this top plate, gets strapped down. That leaves us room for all of our mount points once it's lifted into place. We lower this all the way down, set it flat, lower the engine transmission on top of this, strap it down through around this channel here, and then we use the pump over there to lift the entire assembly up into the chassis. Now some of those engine and transmission combinations, be it our 6-speed, our standard 3-speed, our supercharged motor, all in the LS3, we have to rock that motor and transmission back and forward depending on which assembly it is. So what we've done in this case, as you can see under here, we have another jack. This jack allows us to rock this top plate back and forward with the engine and transmission mounted to it. That allows us to work the engine upwards into the chassis in place. Something typically done by hand when you're using a cherry picker from above. We have the ability to do that from below. So we can adjust that using this standard jack to adjust our rock, and then of course, like I said, to lift the engine and transmission up and down as needed with the jack itself. And that pretty much sums it up. We'll finish putting this thing together, get it all cleaned up, send it out for powder coat, and get it out to our guys on the floor and let them build some more Rally Fighters.